Welcome back, divas. It's your girl TX Beauty Queen 83, and I'm coming at you today with a video that I've never done on my channel this time. And this is basically a watch me try new makeup video. Everything in this video isn't brand new, but I hauled a lot of new products over the last couple of weeks, and also during the VIB Rouge sale that just started yesterday, or by the time you're watching this video, a few days ago. I'm super excited, number one, about this makeup palette. And you guys should know, if you watch my channel regularly, that I absolutely love Pat McGrath. I love Pat McGrath. The quality of her products are amazing. But anyways, if you guys are interested, keep on watching. I'm going to be trying these new, or they're not new, but they're called shadow shields. And I got this from the Makeup Artist Project here in Houston. And these are supposed to prevent fallout. And I'm taking off the backs of the adhesive. So off the bat, I can kind of tell that this is something that I wouldn't want to do too often, because it is tugging on the under eye, my under eye skin, and we all know that that is super delicate. I'm going to take this Morphe M441 and Uninterrupted by MAC. This is one that they had brought back maybe a month or so ago. Alright, so that is Uninterrupted. This is my MAC 217 blending brush. I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of brown script and saddle. And I'm gonna pop that in my crease. Or at least the outer part of my crease anyways. I'm going to pick up that M441 again. I want to make sure that I'm cohesive over here. Okay. So this is something that I have been dying to try, and I know that you guys have seen it all over the internet. I recently have been using the small mini palettes, the MotherShip palettes, the Bronze Ambition. So we're not going to take too much time on this. You know what the packaging looks like. I am stoked. This is the first time that I've used this palette. So I am very excited. Really quickly, this is the card that has the shades on them, so that's cool. Wow, these are the shades. Oh my god, I am stoked. And so I think that what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna go for that green color, Gigabyte. So yeah, me and Gigabyte about to get acquainted. Oh, my skin is so broken out right now. I think that I want to take this chocolatey color, this one, this chocolate color, and that is called Lazarus. And this is a Morphe angled shadow brush, which the number has rubbed off. And I am going to dip that into this palette. And apply that to the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so the eyeshadows kick up a little bit, not a lot. applying this to the outer third of my lid. Nothing too exciting, unfortunately. This color is very smooth and very creamy, which is to be expected from Pat McGrath. Oh my God. I have been dying to get my hands on a large MotherShip palette, and finally this day has come. So I'm going to be using this Inglot Durline, and this is a mixing medium, and I have a small Kashik brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this to basically I'm going to lay this down so that I can put my shadows on top, the main attraction, if you will. This mirror is the bomb too, by the way. Okay, what I'm gonna do is take this no-name shader brush that I had been using recently with my other Pat McGrath shadows, and take Gigabyte, just this color here, which I'm so excited about, and pat it on my lid. This is like ultra 4K vivid. I have no words. It's just so beautiful. Okay. Now, what I'll do is take this Morphe small shader brush and pick up the color Extreme Black out of the palette and apply a very small amount, because we don't know how this black is gonna clap back. And I just want to add depth. I don't want a lot anyways to the outer corners here. That's all I need. All right, so I'm going to take that angled brush that we use to apply this, what is this called? Lazarus, the brown color. I'm going to pick up just a little bit of that and blend. Super smooth and blendable. I am extremely impressed, to say the least. This brush, and pick up a little bit more of Uninterrupted by MAC. Heck yeah. I'm feeling it. I have got to take this off. Ugh. So these do serve a purpose. However, I am not too fond of them because I don't like the way it feels up under my eyes. I don't, honestly. Did they serve their purpose? Yes, they did. Will I use them again? I don't know. Maybe in my kit, I would. But overall, the intention is to prevent the fallout on your makeup, and so for that reason it does serve its purpose. So I'm definitely in love with Auntie Pat. I am just, I have no words. We're gonna put her right there because we gotta come back to her in a few. What I'm going to do is apply my concealer and the other stuff that you guys have seen already, and I'll be right back. Let's dive right back in to the Pat McGrath palette, and I'm gonna take Lazarus. I'm gonna take Lazarus with this small angle brush by e.l.f. and apply that to my lower lash line. Okay, and then I'm going to take this small brush that I use for black and dip right back into black and smudge that on the outer corner of my eye. Okay, and of course the best part, I'm going to go back into Gigabyte and apply that to the inner part of my eye. These colors are ridiculous. Ridiculous. Then for my inner corner highlight, I am going to take Skin Show Fever, and it's this lightest color in the palette here. It's beautiful. On Morphe M431. I'm definitely feeling it, honey. Gigabyte is definitely the star of the show. I'm going to be wearing my Ardell Double Up Demi Wispies today. I'm going to pop these on along with a couple of coats of mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'll be back with the completed look. I mean, this wash and go is lit. Anyway, this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am in love with this. You guys let me know what you like most about this makeup and the products that I use in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that subscription bell. Until the next time, beauties, I'll see you later. Bye.